Ready to eat my dust, Cloud?
Only if you can keep up, Asuka.
You know, this isn't just about the race.
Oh? What else is it about?
I know what you're hiding, Cloud.
What are you talking about?
The package. The one you stole.
You don't know what you're saying.
I do, and I know who you took it from.
This isn't the place for this conversation.
Then why are you running?
I'm not running. I'm racing.
Racing to what? To escape?
To protect you.
Protect me? From what?
From the truth.
What truth?
That's a package. It's a bomb.
What?
And it's set to go off at the finish line.
Then we have to stop it.
Together.